Alright, so after our early medianoche, we had some pictures, our mandatory yearly photo ops, and then we went out to watch the Burj Khalifa Fireworks Display.
We're stuck. Okay, maikas, ano?
I thought they're not closing the road that will go to Safa Park.
Maybe it's not. It's just that it's stuck already.
Oh my.
Nag-railing na sila. They're closing it.
Nag-divert na di ay. So dali na pasunod
They just
dito.
started. They
Nice
just
one.
started.
Okay. Cool. Aywa. Woo! We have 30 minutes more. And I hope we can find a perfect spot. Yeah, so we made it. We now have barely 25 minutes more before 12 o'clock. It's right on time. We are here in this vacant place behind, which area is this? Mazaya or Safest Way. So it's a good spot. Although this is not the front side, or this is not directly fronting the Burj Khalifa, but we can still see fireworks here on this side. So there's not much people. Yung mga tao andun lahat sa Sheikh Zayed ngayon kasi nakasarado na yung Sheikh Zayed, but we don't want to go there. Yep. Nay,
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year. Wishing you all the best. Wishing you good health, love and prosperity for this new year and the years to come. And yeah, hopefully we can live life like how we used to. Are you also vlogging, bebe? How about Kuya? Are you recording, Kuya? This is my setup, just my Manfrotto and iPhone XR. Kuan ni mo hanay. Palihi ko no hay ni mo ha.
She has my phone. I don't have anything to do. Good thing I brought a book.
Right.
A few moments later.
Yay! Woo! Happy New Year! New Year na. New Year kids. Oh, you're vlogging. Kuya. Happy New Year, kuya.
Happy New Year.
It's a bit longer na, no? Compared to the previous ones that we watched.
Yeah.
Patsada gihapon. And that's it for this episode. Hope to see you again. Hope to see you next year. No, it's already 2021. Alright, so we're back home now. It's now past 12 and everyone's tired and they're already sleeping. I'll just finish this one and I'll hit the sack. Daghang salamat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Bye bye. When the smoke is going